Turn your coffee into skincare and say goodbye to dark circles and hello to glowing skin. For this recipe, place 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in a small container. Add the yolk of 1 egg and mix thoroughly. Egg yolk is rich in biotin, a vitamin that enhances skin elasticity, reducing signs of aging. Before continuing, please drop a thank you to support my work and encourage me. Add a teaspoon of honey. Honey deeply hydrates your skin, making this mask even more nourishing. How to apply it? Start by washing your face thoroughly. Then, apply the cream generously all over your face, paying special attention to the area around your eyes and smile lines. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with plenty of water. For best results, use this mask 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin looking better than ever. If you like this recipe, drop a yes, I will try it. Thank you.